In this video, I will show you how to backup website in Hostinger. So sign in Hostinger, click on website, and here guys, click on manage. Here is the option daily backups, it's disabled. So click on manage. Now to backup your file, select any particular date, and next step. Now it's work. Now here backup database, so select and show database and download. So this way guys, you can backup your files in Hostinger. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you or not. And in the next video, I will show you how to restore your backup in your Hostinger account. Once this complete, click on download backup. Now here select all and download all files. So this is the way guys, you can backup your website's files to your PC. And once you need, so you can easily restore them. If you want to learn how to restore from backup to your website in Hostinger, so comment, I will create another video for that one. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel.